The world is faced with demographically change. The number of senior citizens is increasing gradually since 2005 to present. According to National Statistical Office 2017, the number of senior citizens is increasing to 16.7% or 11.3 million people. The amount of this number, including with the elderly bedridden patients, 1,200,000. Data from Situational Analysis at Target Area, Bankota Village, Number 15, Sila Sub-District, Mueang District, Konkan Province, display that the problems of elderly bedridden patients and caregivers, including with they are unable to move by themselves for the reason that they are barely able to do the daily routine. In addition, elderly bedridden patients who have long-term illness came up with complications such as pressure sore, aspirate pneumonia, joint stiffness, and also effects to the mental health. According to problems, caregivers have to go over visit and spend more time for caring patients specially. In some cases, caregivers face with limitation including lack of knowledge, health conditions, also an older person, responsibility moreover than caring patient. Caring for the patient effects on physical and mental health of caregiver that consists of degradation of the body such as backache, knee pain, accidental while lifting patients, feeling tired, bored, burnt out, and finally become ignorant. In order to decrease the caregiver's problems, the innovation team designed Easy Move 3M for support caregiver to care elderly. Consists of movement, mobile, motivation. Easy Move 3M equipment, including with structure, firm gear, to reduce and save caregiver force, belt lock, a lock which is stability and also can handle the weight, lifting belt. We use lifting belt which is strength and security to handle a lot of weight, pad, the equipment which is supporting while lifting patient up, foot rest, accessory to supporting patient feet when get on equipment, back rest, accessory to maintaining the right sitting, providing comfortable and preventing accidental to fall over. Wheels, add-on to make it easier to move patient. For the structure building, the professional from Department Mechanism of Faculty of Engineering suggest that in the construction, generally, few place material use circle stainless to set basement or of the medication equipment, but in the case, we use a square steel tube to create structure, for the reason that we designed to save both time and fun in the construction process. The advantage of square steel tube is high strength, also maintaining tight construction, tolerance, and rapid integration with other building systems, and minimal construction site waste. How the construction bear weight. The professional calculated based on the point most likely to damage. 100 kg of force was transferred to a single pole. To analyze the hardness, the strong steel frame can be seen in this area showing in blue and decrease up according to the shade level. The area that most press and load is the bottom of the machine, and the back straight steel. Therefore, in conclusion design, steel frame can carry patient's weight is not more than 100 kilograms. Worm gear mechanism. Worm gears are a set of gear composed of worm helix, which is spiral shaped, placed on a shank. The cock ridge is concave in order to meet the curvature of worm thread, angled together at 90 degrees. The worm gear operation is drive gear to drive-in gear will be sliding. The ratio can be calculated from distance between the center of worm gear to center of worm wheel. If the center distance is greater, the ratio of gear will be greater to reducing our force. On this advantage, we use is integrated with hand crank. Speed it up for elevate the patient easily. Pad. Sitting pad, including with general pad and toilet pad. General pad was created from canvas, which is sturdy, durable, and also strength to weight, covered by imitation leather waterproof, for keeping patient feeling comfortable, to prevent irritation and easy to clean up. The general pad used when caregiver need to move patient, transfer from bed to other areas. Toilet pad. Toilet pad also created from canvas and covered by imitation leather waterproof too. The toilet pad has a special feature with perforated leaf in the middle pad to help the patient to defecate across this hole while taking patient transfer to the toilet by Easy Move 3M. Lying pad was created from hand woven fabric that thread from cotton source that ventilation as well. To use lying pad, we have to put it under the bed sheet. When caregiver decide to turn patient side up, only connected the lock which placed on shoulder and hips together, and then just circulate the hand crank, reducing caregiver force to turn patient up by themselves. After created the innovative model, Easy Move 3M, the innovation team evaluated ability function with Innovation Assessment Questionnaire from 3 professors from Department of Mechanism Faculty of Engineering, Professor from Medical Science Specialist Faculty of Nursing Konkan University, and Professor from Master of Nursing Science Program in Community Health Nurse Practitioner. The mean score of IAQ 4.25, meaning that the overall ability of Easy Move 3M following 4 domain indicators was very suitable. In the structure and material indicators was suitable. Following the stability of innovation, the materials were available. Mechanism and security indicator was suitable. Therefore, the limitation of movement. Worthiness indicator was suitable due to appropriately balancing times and fund. Usability was very suitable. The ability of function of innovation respond to problems. Limitation of the innovation project. The limitation of time and fund. According to fund limitation, we provide material structure square steel tube to replace circle stainless, which contains more safety for medical equipment. For time limitation, the completely study must take a long time, together with the process to create innovation and to follow the performance of innovation from user. Therefore, long-term evaluates are impracticable. The suggestions: in the medical way, equipment needs to wearing the most safety equipment for contain the safety user first. To improve innovation, maybe add the electric motor replace all of the human force to lift and move patient. In the future, to improve this innovation to vary target group, not just elderly only, but also adult and child.